Good morning and greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Check it out. This is the library. It was hilarious because Mom came down and I was like, Mom, do you notice anything different? Why is the camera blurry? And then she was staring at the room for like ever. And then she was like, wait a minute, it's the carpet. And I was like, yes. So she likes it and I love it. And I think I'm gonna leave it like this for a little bit. Again, I'm still not completely married to the idea of the carpet. I still have my little furniture moving things underneath the coffee table, but I guess they'll just stay like that for a hot second. So we'll see. Maybe like after the weekend, if I still like it, I will keep it like this. But right now, gotta clean up. I kind of have stuff everywhere. I have like stacks of books everywhere. I'm gonna fill up the fridge outside with some soda, and I'm gonna show you this little sitting area right here that I'm like completely obsessed with. I think I showed you guys this in yesterday's vlog. I just put out these 2 pillows right here. I'm gonna add a couple more, but I love this spot so much. It's like my favorite spot outside, I think, right now at the moment. And oh, I thought I just saw a squirrel, and I was like, I've never seen a squirrel back here before. I've seen squirrels, but like out there, just not in our immediate backyard. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving Brother Bear. All the kids love him, and he's just such a cool addition to the backyard. And I think I don't know, he's so cool. I also noticed like he kind of has like some bluish tinge to him, which is like kind of cool and kind of goes with the rug. But right now, like everything's so black and white, and so I'm just adding some pillows to it to like make sure the area kind of matches the rug. Alright guys, Mom just made this delicious tuna salad. And check out my beautiful bowl. I got this from the Goodwill. Beautiful. It's from Pottery Barn too, which is really nice. And it's in a really pretty light blue. And what's cool is this is actually safe for food. They have had other ones in the past that were not. They're just purely decorative. But this one is actually dishwasher safe as well. So it's really nice. And it's a really pretty like light blue color. But I'm gonna try it right now and see how it is. Also, Mom's gonna make some virgin margaritas. Yum. So Mom's making our virgin margaritas. She's squeezing some lime into them. Yum. She already put the margarita salt around the rims too. So yummy.
I have some margarita salt.
Ooh, there's the margarita salt. Yay. Alright, she's gonna put it in. Ooh, wow. Yum. You're so crazy.
What?
Oh, ooh. Lime. Wow. We need straws. Okay guys, I didn't vlog it, but I had so much fun right now swimming with John and my mom in the pool, of course. Where else would be swimming? But I got. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, there's so many different things that I haven't like that I just did inside the house. But I don't know. Am I gonna show you guys yet? Should I do a tour? John said I should film a house tour, so I don't know. But look at Mom's beautiful outfit. She is very ready for summer still.
For another summer.
I'm going to be skewering some of these delicious looking heirloom tomatoes that I kind of want to eat right now. And then put some mozzarella on them too. So these are really yummy. I've never tried these little ones in the packs before.
Try some.
Alright Mom, what are you making?
Okay, we're going to put this mozzarella on the stick with my heirloom tomatoes.
And you're going to be making
balsamic reduction.
Ooh, fancy. So I can't. Enough, so like I skewer. If I skewer like one set of skewers, I can eat some too. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. So we're just gonna alternate.
Yeah.
Cheese. And
tomatoes.
Okay, so make one for me so I can know how to make it look, and then I'll make the rest of them. So just like maybe 4?
Yeah.
Ooh, different colors. That is
Make it look
festive.
nice
Nice.
and fancy.
And fancy. Oh, okay. Wow, that's very fancy.
Okay.
Alright, got it. Can I try one of those cheeses?
I know.
That, Mom? Roasted tomatoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try one of these.
Roasted tomatoes.
Mmm.
Oh, I need to get some roasted.
Mmm. And if we go outside, the pool is so much fun. Did you have fun swimming, Mom? Getting some fresh herbs. Wow-wee! These smell delicious. Mom, you look like you're on the Food Network.
Right?
Uh-oh, it's stuck. Look at that. That looks delicious.
Ooh.
Hot dog. I cannot wait to eat.
Look at this. Look at this.
Woo!
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Okay. But now, I'm gonna go inside and finish skewering. Ooh, it's really sunny. Ooh. So, our theme is lettuce plates. So, look at all this deliciousness. Ooh, okay, so here's the food again. In better lighting. Yum. Hello, Zach, are you gonna eat all the food? Yeah? All the potatoes. Ooh. Alright, you guys, I got all my food. It looks so delicious. Thanks, Mom. Mom cares about the presentation of the photo. Hey guys, okay, so dinner was delicious, but I just wanted to do like a kind of like a quick house tour, nothing too like formal or anything, but I was gonna show you kind of what I did around the house so far. So if you look back there, I did change that up a little bit. You know, I really do want to change out the mirror. I feel like it really is too small, but right now that's kind of just how it is. This is definitely still a work in progress. I kind of just threw everything there. And then this is also something that I'm like trying to figure out still too. But I really do enjoy the mirror there. I love that mirror so much. I was actually thinking of putting it right there too, but right now it's right over here because that one's already like hung up there anyway. So, but yeah, and I just added that plant there, which is also, the plant isn't new, but the vase is new. I just recently thrifted that as well. So that's how that looks. Also, please ignore those toys right there. But the library, okay, so this is one of my favorite spots in the house right now. My theme, I don't even want to explain it because you guys are gonna laugh at me. But it's kind of like Beetlejuice slash like eccentric billionaire recluse collector hoarder slash Kris Kardashian slash, if you guys have ever watched that movie Beautiful Creatures, and then also Witches of Eastwick slash, this is too many, but this is just how it looks right now. I don't know, I really like it. I know, like, I'm probably gonna get a lot of comments saying that it looks like a hoarder lives here and that I put, like, that's intentional. I just wanted this one room to be like kind of like maximal, like maximilian, like a maximalist, you know, a maxinista at heart. So I decided to put, okay, so I love her inside the lantern. I think she looks so fabulous with like her fronds sticking out of the top. I think that's so cool. I have my hand there with my air plant, which I also really like as well. And I don't know, like I also have, like, I put her on Instagram, like my little statue, and I put her inside the vase. And I kind of like, okay, so my thought process on that is like, at first it was kind of just like to store it away, to like just move it over to the side. I just wanted to put it inside because I was putting on a bar cart and like, anyway, so I feel like she is like in the future when like aliens come and like they want to take samples. Like they found like that statue or whatever in a museum, and then like this is kind of like a specimen jar, and then they're bringing it to their home planet or something to put inside a museum, something like that, you know. And that's like how I feel like that kind of looks. And oh, you know, I don't really think I ever really show this too much, but this is our China hutch. I wish that this room was a little bit bigger so I could we have the side pieces as well for the hutch, but the space is just like too small. Otherwise the other, like, it would fit, but it'd be like in the way of the bookcase right there. So they're actually upstairs in the loft flanking a media console, so still used it, so that's good. But these are all of my thrifted dinnerware and stuff like that. So like plates, serving platters, mugs, all that stuff. So I I actually need to like clean it out a little bit, but that's how it is right now. And okay, so I'm obsessing over the carpet. Again, I still have the little push things underneath the furniture, like just the coffee table, because that's really the only thing that really needs it, in case I would ended up like not liking it. But now I'm like, oh, I love it, but I don't want to take everything off to remove them. But so they're just pretend they're not there. But this is just how the room looks so far. I think I do want to change a couple things, but right now I think this is like perfect, especially because I'm lazy. So that's how this little area is looking. And you guys have seen the dining room before in past videos. And then this is the redone living room. I really didn't do too much. I honestly just I changed out the carpet, so the zebra carpet that was in the library is now here. And I just and excuse like the mess, like literally the kids were just like running all over. There's still some Legos on the floor, but I love like the warmth it gives the room. Before we had like that bluish kind of carpet, like a light blue. I love that too, but like this, just like I just love it. Like I love the way it looks, I love everything. And I know I'm gonna get some comments of like people not liking it, but you know what, to each his own, and as long as you like it, that's all that really matters, right? So as long as you're happy. But I really love my disco ball there, and I made up like a story about it on Instagram that's like a unicorn egg, and it laid its egg on like that's the fur nest, like the silk fur nest, and I don't know, I just like it. I just think it's really fun. And it's kind of an ode to when we first moved here, and we got like this it's like a Moroccan lantern chandelier thing that was gonna go inside one of the bedrooms. And while we were waiting for the electrician to come, I had it sitting in the middle of the coffee table, and I loved it so much, and like literally so many people loved it. And I was like kind of sad that we really hung it up, and I was like, oh my gosh, can we just find something else to put there? But it's now inside the room, and this disco ball used to be back there, but you know, I just wanted to make it a centerpiece, and I think it's really, really fun, and I think it's cool, you know. I mean, it's just a disco ball. It's easily moved. So that's how it looks right now. I changed out the back, so now I just have my giant piece of I think it's manzanita wood. That's what I think. It's like a manzanita thing. Manzanita or like a grapefruit, something like that. But I got that from the potting shed, and I love that thing so much. And this is how this side of the room looks. And I have my really cool like basket thing that I decided to put flowers in it, and Mom's gonna be like, I know Mom's gonna be like, give me my basket, I wanna go like pick my vegetables and use it. But right now I have my faux flowers inside, which I really like as well. So this is how the space is currently looking, with toys all over the place and messed up pillows. But hey, there's like 50 of us to live inside this house, so you just gotta deal with the kids. It's fine. This is the outside right now. There's an excess of pillows right there because I still have yet to like really finish fixing up out here, but I am loving this new little sitting area out here. I feel like it really brings people to this side. Like today while mom was barbecuing, and I didn't even vlog it because I was just like too relaxed and excited to like hang out here, barbecuing and then like sitting here, and it was like, honestly, it was the most perfect thing ever. So it totally accomplished what I wanted. Like people can sit here and hang out with me while I'm barbecuing. Well, except today it was mom barbecuing over there, and I was kind of sitting over here, but totally fine, and I loved it. Plus, I love Brother Bear. That's his name, Brother Bear, right there. Love him so much. And a lot of you guys messaged me today, saying that at first you didn't like the bear, and then now like you see him here and you guys love him. So I'm glad that Brother Bear was over to win over your hearts, because he has won over the hearts of a couple people, I guess. I don't know. Like, I feel like a lot of people didn't like him at first, but he's so cool. I love him. Alright, anyway, so then back here, this is still kind of a mess, and I don't really want to show you guys yet, because I'm actually going to fix this up probably definitely within the next few weeks, but right now I have just been kind of focus on everywhere else around the house. So I'm not gonna really show you guys that because it's kind of boring, and I think I've shown you guys that before with my like airport terminal vibe going on over there with 2 chairs back to back. But yeah, so this is pretty much it for right now. There's our little tour of the house. It's starting to get really windy, and it's almost sunset. It's so pretty. It was so much fun swimming out here earlier, like honestly the best. But I think right now I'm gonna bid you guys adieu. Okay, but I wanted to remind you guys too, wait, actually, when you guys watch this video, my collab with the Goodwill would have gone up already, which I am very excited about. So if you guys have not yet watched it, go check it out. It's actually the first video of a series of 7 videos, and what's awesome is that each video is going to go up every single day. So for an entire week, my main thrifting video is going to be with the Goodwill, which I am very excited about. And then on the last day, which is going to be on Friday, September 14, I'm also going to announce another thing that I'm doing with the Goodwill, so stay tuned for that to make sure. I'm going to have like, it's just going to be a separate video, so it's going to be like really short just to announce what else I'm going to be doing with them. So I'm very excited about that, but don't forget to check out the videos. These start going up today, and for the next 7 days after that, you're going to get a brand new video with the Goodwill. So I'm very excited. It's decorating centric, so it's gonna be like for decorating around the house and all that fun stuff. So I am super duper excited for the videos, and I hope you guys are too. And yeah, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications so that you'll be notified when the new videos do go up. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Right, moved all the furniture. I'm like becoming an expert furniture mover, at least inside this house. I literally moved everything in like a minute, but I'm just gonna leave this carpet here for now because I'm gonna move all this stuff next, which is a lot because I just kind of threw stuff in here. But you know what? This gives me an opportunity to clean all of this clutter up, which, you know, see, moving furniture, changing carpets, it has an upside other than just the good